In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Shopify header. For those of you running a Shopify store, tweaking your site to match your brand identity is crucial. Specifically, modifying the header of your Shopify site can have a significant impact on your store's look, feel, and functionality. Whether you're aiming to adjust your logo placement, modify navigation links, or simply want to update the header's layout, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. The URL is rather straightforward, it's shopify.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option. Click on that to proceed. The login process is crucial because it ensures that you have the administrative authority to make changes to your store. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is a critical step for accessing the back end of your Shopify store where all the magic happens. Type in your store's highlight or unique identifier, which Shopify will use to find your store in its system. This makes it easier for you to jump right into managing your store without having to sift through multiple accounts or pages. Next, you'll need to click on Continue with Email. This step is self-explanatory. Shopify prefers to make sure it's indeed you trying to access the store, and continuing with your email is a straightforward way to proceed. Once you've clicked on this option, Shopify will then ask you to choose the account associated with your store. This could be your personal or business account depending on how you set it up initially. With the login process complete, it's time to navigate to the dashboard of your store. You can do this by selecting My Store from the home page. Once you're in, look for the Online Store option on the left-hand side menu. This section of the Shopify backend manages everything related to your storefront, including themes, blog posts, pages, and more importantly, your header. In the Online Store section, you'll find the Customize button. Clicking on this will take you to the Theme Editor, a powerful tool Shopify provides that allows you to make real-time changes to your store's theme, including the header. Once you're in the theme editor, locating the header section should be straightforward. Click on the header tab to start customizing. At this point, you might want to change the position of your store's logo within the header. Shopify allows for a versatile arrangement catering to your aesthetic and functional preferences. Click on the desktop logo position option to explore different alignment choices for your logo, be it left, center, or right aligned. Adjusting the logo is often just part of the makeover. Changing the logo itself might be on your agenda too. If that's the case, clicking on Change allows you to upload a new logo from your computer or select an existing one from your Shopify files. This is a pivotal moment as your logo often encapsulates your brand's identity, making it essential to get it right. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the changes you've made to your header, remember to click on Save. This might seem obvious, but it's a step that's easy to overlook in the flurry of editing and customizing. By saving your changes, you ensure that all the work you've put into perfecting your shop's header is preserved and immediately reflected on your live site. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Always preview changes before finalizing them to see how they look on different devices. Shopify's theme editor allows you to toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Consider the overall look and feel of your store when editing your header. Consistency in design across your site enhances your brand's credibility and appeal. If you're unsure about a change, Shopify offers a way to undo or redo actions in the theme editor, giving you the freedom to experiment without fear of making irreversible mistakes. Editing the Shopify header might seem like a small task, but it's these details that contribute significantly to your store's branding and user experience. Through this guide, we've walked through the process from start to finish, ensuring that you're well equipped to give your Shopify store the facelift it deserves. Happy editing, and here's to creating a store that's not only functional but visually appealing too.